Okay, as we are coming to the next here, steps to be followed while doing two-digit subtraction with borrow. Same steps are followed here. Only thing that we people are going to next step is in this with borrowing here. What happens when you have an example means 0.4. Consider the 0.4. If the above number is smaller, then borrow one tens from the tens place. Means if the number is given 52 minus 17. So what happens? Ones place 2 and ones place 7 is there. So 2 will be the lesser than 7, but we cannot minus there, 2 minus 7. So what happens? We have to borrow from the previous number. So that step we have to learn here in this. So we have to check that with the examples, then you'll understand the concept clearly. And the fifth point, after taking the borrow, start counting from smaller number to bigger. After borrowing, what happens? When you are counting, it should be from smaller to the bigger number. Okay, these points you have to follow there, and we will see the example. From the example, you will be more clear about the concept here. Okay, you can see the example here. 1, subtract 73 minus 35. And why these boxes are given here? I already said you that you people should be clear while writing the numbers according to their place values. What happens there? If you don't write in sequence in the ones place and tens place the particular numbers, you may miss the calculation or you may have a error in your calculations. So better that you people have to follow the sequence of writing here, one below the other number to their particular place values. Okay, so they have their own identification place values. You have to follow that according to the rules as a ones and tens. So now here write the ones and tens as a red color in ones, green color tens boxes. Okay, 73 35, 3 and 5 means 73 3, 35 5, that is ones place, and 7 and 3 in a tens place, and the smaller box is minus because we are subtracting there. We will insert the numbers. So in this way you people have to write the numbers inside the boxes. So you can see after that what you people have to do. Now from ones place, from right side you have to start your calculations. So 3 minus 5 is given. Can you subtract 3 minus 5? Smaller numbers minus bigger number, can you do it? No, you cannot do it. 3 minus 5 we cannot make it. See, if you count 3 there, in 3 how can you remove 5? You cannot remove itself. So what we have to do here, as we are following the method here, we have to take the steps. Borrowing means taking the helping number from the previous number, from the backside number. So behind the 3, the tens place, what is there? First one, 7 is there. 73 is the actual number. So 3 can be borrowed from 7 itself. So how much it can borrow from tens place? So we can carry 1 tens there. So 1 tens if you take there, so what happens? It will come this side on with beside the 3. So what happens? It will become 1 3, that is 13. And what will be, if you give first from 7 1, if you give 1 tens if it is given, so what happens? 6 will be left here. In tens place 6 will be left here, because in tens place means it is 70. So if you give 1 tens is nothing but you are giving tens there, right? So 10. So you people have to, ones from tens place, if you are borrowing 1, it will become tens there. So it will become 13. 10 plus 3, 13 it will become. So you have to take it as a 13 here. So 13 minus 5, now you can do it. So how you borrowed there? By cutting down 7, putting there 6 and giving that 1 to the ones place 3. There you have to, that ones place 3 is there, no? There you are giving that 1. It will become 10 plus 3. 1 and 3, it will become 10 plus 3. 1 tens plus 3 ones. 1 tens plus 3 ones. So 10 plus 3, 13. So now you can do that. 13 minus 5, right? So here 13 minus 5, how will you do? Just keep it in your mind this number, or else put a rough column there, or 3 in your mind, or 10 on your hands. Like that also you can do there, as you already learned on your counting fingers. that also procedure you can do, or else you go for a rough column there. 13 minus 5. Okay. So how much you'll get? You'll get 8. 3 in your mind, 10 in your hands. Okay. In your mind, 3 are there, right? So keep that as it is. Now 13 minus 5. In 10, if you remove 5, what happens? 5 are left. Okay, one hand is left. And in your mind, you have 3. So that 3 you bring to your hands. So 5 plus 3 will become 8. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now in 10's place, what is left? 6. 6 minus 3 is, as you already know that, take it on your fingers. 6 minus 3, 3 only. So your answer will be how much? Yeah, you are right. That is 38. The answer is 38. You have to write it as a 38 with your particular answers. Very good, children. Now we will see the second example. What is given here? Subtract 82 minus 29. Can you guess? Same thing as you people written in the previous one. Same thing you write here also. 10's place 8, 1's place 2. 10's place 2, 1's place 9. That is 82 minus 29. Again same, 2 minus 9 you cannot do. So what you have to do? Think. That is you have to borrow from the 10's place. Borrow and do the calculation. You'll understand how to do. And tell me the answer. What you'll get here? Now I'm going to explain you the third example here, because second example I gave you as a homework. Okay, here in this third example, as I said you that when it is 2 minus 0, 2 as it is kept down. But when it is 0 minus 2, what you have to do? Think. Yeah, that calculation you have to learn here now. So subtract 60 minus 24. So 60 minus 24, how will you do? Put the numbers into the box. We'll see the calculations. Have you put the numbers in the box in this way? Good. 60 minus 24. 0 minus 4 can you do? From 0, can you remove 4? No, you cannot remove the 4. So what you have to do? Same as the method is followed there, you have to borrow from the previous one. How many? 1 tens you'll borrow there. 1 tens you shift to the 0, and how many will be left there? 5 tens. 5 will be left there. 10 plus 0. So what you'll get? 10 itself. So you cut down 6, write there 5, cut down 0, write it as a 10. So 10 minus 4 easily can you do now? Yes, you can do. 10 minus 4, how much you'll get? Take on your hands 10 and 4 you remove. Do? Yeah, right. If you remove, how many left? Find, think. Now this answer, I have showed you the calculations. Answer, you do it and you write it and send to my personal window as you complete in your maths homework book. So thank you, children. I hope you understood the concept. So as I already said you that understand the concept clearly, and the concept, the points and the calculations and the methods, follow it correctly and complete in your maths homework book. What I gave the 3 questions there. I explained you 3, and 3 you have to do it in your own, on your own, in your maths homework book. Okay, children. And after completing, as I said you that, send to my personal window with your name and class. If you have any doubts, you can text to me. If I am busy with my any other work, if I am not receiving your call, you can leave a message. Your message will be replied soon as read the message. Okay. Thank you, children.